Okay, about question 633. It's on page 322. And it is about a company which is called Robertson Employment Service. This company has surveyed the applicants' intelligence test scores, and they have found the scores itself is not normal, it is skewed to the left. But in the research, when your sample size is quite large, like in this case, the sample size is 75, so we can use the central limit theorem, 75. And in the population, the mean is 86, with standard deviation 16. And we want to know the probability that this 75 people's scores is lower than 84, while larger than 90. In the mean, it is 86. So we want to know this probability and this probability, P1 and P2. What we can do first is to calculate the standard error. The standard error comes from the population standard deviation divided by the square root of the sample size. So 16 divided by the square root of 75. And then you get the square root, and you get the standard error, which is 1.848. After you know the standard error, you can calculate the z-score. The first z-score, we call this is z1, and it comes from 84 minus 86 and divided by the standard error, 848. So the z-score itself is minus 1.08. And if you check the table, you can find the p-value will be 0.3599. And the second z-score is 90 minus 86 divided by the standard error, 1.848. And you get 2.16. If you check the table, the probability will be 0.4846. Not finished yet, because just now we have visualized it. And we found that in the middle it is 86. And 84 is here. 90 is here. We want to know the probability of this part and the probability of this part. And this number shows what is the probability of this. And this number shows the probability of this. So what we can do is to use 0.5 to minus this number, and use 0.5 to minus this number. And then we get 0.1401 and 0.0154. If you visualize it, you can find that this is this part, while this is this part. So you add them together, and then you get 0.1555, which means 15.55% of the employees, their IQ scores will either lower than 84 or higher than 90.